Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. Today we're going to show you how to install our brand new wrap. This is a carbon fiber wrap for your Tesla Model 3 charging port. You know, every time the port opens up, we have a flat black plastic part here. So we came up with a really cool wrap and some cool ways to really make it stand out. So let's get started with the installation. And of course, today we're putting in carbon fiber. We're also allowing you to install this in brushed black metal, and maybe even some other materials we're working on. But let's get started with this one. We have, with each kit, you're going to have your choice of the number 3 or a lightning bolt or both. Usually people match or will want to match the color of the vehicle to the vehicle color, or the decal to the color. So on this one, we've made it in the metallic pearl white, and we're going to show you how easy this goes on. So these will be put on by you, and let's get started. Number 1, cleaning. So spray everything, or spray a rag lightly, but clean this area good. We'll give you alcohol prep with it. You can use Windex or anything else. And clean the inside hole, because our wrap actually wraps inside of the charging port hole just slightly enough. Okay, so let's get started. We give you the squeegee, we give you everything you need. And let me show you how easy it is to put this on. Okay, so now let's peel off the decal from the backing sheet. And you'll notice that we have a nice cutout section. This is for the charging plug, this is for the logo, and this is for the handle that opens and closes. So just simply look at it straight on like this. And the alignment for this item is the T. You see that T in the triangle we've cut out around it? All you have to do is put that T in the middle of the triangle, make sure it's not blocking the light, make sure it's completely showing, and then move it all the way up so you're right below the handle or this opening and closing mechanism. Then we press it down and then move your hand out. And with the squeegee we give you, just simply start tacking it down. Just spread it around. And again, this is 3M 1080 carbon fiber. It has air trap releasing channels. It will lay perfect. And we designed this, if you notice carefully, to go around the rubber seal here for the tail light. So if you ever have a tail light issue and they have to remove them, we do not run our pattern anywhere except around the plastic area. So we're completely centered. It looks perfect. Now, the first thing we want to do is press down the material around the hole, the charging hole. And we made it go inside slightly, so it looks really cool. It looks like a wrapped part. Okay? So once you press it all down with your finger, use the squeegee, go around it if you want to, but it should fit on perfect. And next you have a choice. This, of course, is a black car, so we would give you a black 3 if you elected the black 3. And we also have this charging, a lightning bolt. Some people want to put the lightning bolt like this. Some people want to put the 3 in the bottom. You can customize it however you want. So let's show you how this works. And let's pretend that this 3 happens to be black. We wanted to use something of opposite color to give us a little contrast. So you're going to receive this 3 on white backing paper with clear transfer tape. Clear transfer tape allows you to transfer it. And when you squeegee it, it makes the transfer tape grab the white vinyl decal and it releases from the backing paper. Then you just position the 3 wherever you want it. Let's say you want it way down here at the bottom. Make sure it's level. Pick a spot to put it in. And then with your squeegee again, just squeegee down on the clear transfer tape. And this allows the vinyl decal to transfer from the clear transfer tape to the destination. All right, that was pretty simple. And now here we've got a black lightning bolt. And you'll see in this case, same thing. Squeegee it down to the paper so that way the clear transfer tape pulls it with more adhesive to lift it off. Then you could take this lightning bolt and put it wherever you want. We thought it would be pretty cool to have black on top of carbon fiber. And let's put it on an angle going towards the port. This might look really cool in red or blue or even green since our cars are electric. Then pull the transfer tape off slowly and you'll find the black lightning bolt is attached and adhered to the carbon fiber decal. Again, we're going to be selling these in brushed black metal, any material you may want. They're going to be as low as $15, including both optional indicators. And again, you'll see when it opens up, the charging port shows the lit up blue light, which turns green when you plug in. And you can have a 3 or a lightning bolt in matching colors, any color you want. Thanks again, RPM Tesla. We're now shipping these. They are in stock, and thank you.